September. All the supermarkets seem to have forgotten that Christ our Lord was born in December. Did we forget the reason for Christmas? Can we remember how it all began? With the baby lying in a manger and peace throughout the land. Let's bring Christ back into Christmas. Let's remember what it's really all about. Let's talk to the younger generation. Let's fill our minds with faith instead of doubt. Let's remember what Christmas is all about. So what is the meaning of Christmas? Is it all just presents and gifts? Is it all about buying and selling? Or could there be more to this? And how can we regain the spirit? How can we learn to feel at ease? To celebrate our Lord's birthday? And how can we learn to live in peace? Let's bring Christ back into Christmas. Let's remember what it's really all about. Let's talk to the younger generation. Let's fill our minds with faith instead of doubt. Let's remember what Christmas is all about. Let's remember what Christmas is all about.